Today something unusual. We're gonna dismantle this conservatory. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go. So what I started with is removing that plasterboard and insulation from here, so we get better access to glass panels up there. So plan is I'm gonna cut that, take off the sections. That should go pretty straightforward. Okay, we've got most of it off. Let's finish it. I don't even have to find the screws. It literally goes down so easily. There we go, look. Hopefully not in one piece. Yep. For safety reasons, I'm gonna take out glass first instead of taking off that wood, because there's something wrong with that roof. Okay, let me show you how to take this apart. We're gonna take out the guttering, and then we're gonna have access to those bits. That wasn't clean for a while. Now, the way it works, we need to get those blanks off. Like that. That goes up. That goes up as well. Let's start with baby steps, with the smallest one. So that cover, holder. Plenty of hope it will go easily. Yep, hope worked. Full sharp edges, but it's so easy. I'm doing it for free. It's that easy. Okay, so next step will be removing all of that wood. It's gonna be straightforward. Basically, the way you install it, you always screw it to that aluminium profile, so I know where the screws are. So let's just go one by one. So, to take off those beams, we have to do is take off that cover, like I did here. All you have to do is basically just pull, and that comes right off. There we go. And then what you need to do is unscrew that bit. Then we've got this spring. So what you do is just take off the spring. There we go. Done, removed. As you can tell, we are done. Look, it's all gone. That will stay for now. All roof came down, all windows, only foundation stays. That's it. See you on the next one.